the center of the United States is a region known as Tornado Alley. A name well earned, for it is home to the most violent and destructive tornadoes on Earth. Here, a groundbreaking investigation of severe storms and tornadoes is underway.
The storm looks like it's intensifying and certainly could produce something in the next few minutes.
Also in the field is Sean Casey. His mission, never before attempted, to obtain information and imagery from inside a tornado.
South 6A, tornado is forming in the current storm. 12, 11, and 12, are you coming this way?
Yeah, we are.
We're behind you.
Try to get him at 100 meters, but do the best you can. You don't have much time.
We're dropping our third pod right now. Okay, drop it and then head south. Large tornado visible. East of the down.
It's directly behind us! It's coming up on the road!
3 down, 3 down.